The stage is set for an epic showdown in the women's 100 meter at the Jamaica National Championship as the unstoppable Clayton Twins take on the big three Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Shericka Jackson, and Elaine Thompson-Herah. After dominating the high school scene and turning heads in the professional circuit, the Claytons are ready to challenge Jamaica's top sprinters for a spot in the Tokyo World Championship. With a history of Jamaican domination in the 100 meter, this race promises to shake up the competition. So, will the big three reclaim their crown, or is it time for the Claytons to rise to the occasion? Let's find out. Since their last appearance at the Jamaica High School Championship in 2022, Tia and Tina Clayton have signed professional contracts with Nike and have been training at the MVP Track Club, an institution known for producing many world-class athletes with Olympic gold medals in the 100 meter like Sharon Simpson, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Elaine Thompson-Herah, and Shericka Jackson. Jamaica has made its name for dominating the women's 100 meter, and it became more evident during the 2020 Tokyo Olympics when they swept the medals with Elaine Thompson-Herah winning gold, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce earning silver, and Shericka Jackson taking bronze. At the 2022 Eugene World Championship, Jamaica was once again on top by becoming the first country to sweep the medals in the women's 100 meter. Fraser-Pryce won gold, Jackson earned silver, and Thompson-Herah took bronze. However, since that time, the big three somewhat fell off. During the 2023 Budapest World Championship, Shericka Jackson earned silver in the 100 meter and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce took bronze behind the world champion Sha'Carri Richardson of the United States. Not to mention, Elaine Thompson-Herah did not make the top three at the Jamaica National Championship. To make things worse, only Tia Clayton made the 100 meter final at the Paris Olympics and finished 7th in 11.04 seconds. The race saw St. Lucia's Julian Alfred running a national record of 10.72 seconds to win gold. Now, after having various injuries, the 2025 season is finally witnessing the big three potentially reassembling to continue creating history. However, both Tia and Tina Clayton believe that they can challenge the big three. They are familiar with running below the sub-11 barrier and normally run well in rounds. All eyes are set on them in the women's 100 meter at the Jamaica National Championship to see who will make that team for the Tokyo World Championship. As the dust settles on this thrilling showdown, one thing is clear: the future of Jamaican sprinting is in capable hands. Whether the big three reclaim their dominance or Clayton Twins rise to take their place, the competition is fiercer than ever. With talent, determination, and the right training, anything is possible. The race for the Tokyo World Championship is just the beginning, and the world will be watching as these incredible athletes chase greatness. What do you think? Will the Clayton Twins really dethrone the big three and make history at the Tokyo World Championship? Or is it too soon? Who's your pick to dominate the women's 100 meters in Jamaica this year? Drop your thoughts and predictions in the comments below, and let's talk all things sprinting. Also, check out our video about the difficulty that Jamaican female sprinters might face in the 2025 season. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date with Caribbean athletics, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a race or update. Stay tuned for more exciting content. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.